Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to construct an isometric drawing using the 3D axis method. The 3D axis method looks like that. Notice there's an X, a Z and a Y axis. The Z axis is normally the height. Then we have two angles. Notice both angles will always be the same at 30 degrees. So we're going to begin our drawing by starting off with a very light box using construction lines. I like to use an H pencil because the lines are nice and light. Notice the 30-degree angle for your convenience. That is the shape of the object we are going to draw. Notice how it fits nicely inside the isometric box, and the dimensions are given. When I start drawing it, I'm going to start drawing from the edges, from the right, the left, or the top edge, and not from the center like I do with other drawings. So I begin by drawing the left and the right axis. The left is the width and the right will be the length of the object. The Z-axis will be the height of the object. Next, I'm going to complete drawing the parallel lines by joining the points together for the X and the Y-axis and the top, like that. And now we have a box shape, and I can begin my drawing. So I'm going to start using my HB pencil on the right hand side with a line of 32. Then I'm going to go up by 18 and I go across by 26. I complete the 18 and project a line to the end point. Next, I can project a line to the other end point on the left hand side, go up 18 and complete a little rectangle. Now I have to draw the shape at the top of the object. So I'll start with a line 27 from the left hand side, like that. And I'll draw another line parallel to it, which is going to be 36. Then I'm going to complete the little box. Now we have a little shape at the top. All I have to do now is join the points together, like that. And notice there is one more point to be drawn, right at the bottom, to show the shape in the inside of the slot at the bottom of the object. There. We now have completed an isometric drawing inside an isometric box. The learning outcomes are here for your information.